In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your Trello API token step by step. Whether you're connecting Trello to an automation tool, building your own app, or integrating it with another platform, you'll need an API key to make everything work. I'll walk you through the entire process from logging in to generating and securely storing your API key. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. All right, let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have access to a Google account, since we'll be using Google to log into Trello. You can be either logged into your Google account already or signed out. Both will work fine. First, open any web browser on your computer. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. In the address bar, go to Trello.com. Once the Trello website loads, click on the Login button in the top right corner of the page. On the login screen, choose the option to continue with Google. Click the Google button, and then select the Google account you want to use with Trello. If you're not already signed in, Google will prompt you to enter your email and password. Complete the login process, and you'll be redirected into your Trello account. Now that you're logged in, we need to access the Developer Settings area. Go to your browser's address bar and manually enter the following URL, https://trello.com/powerups/admin, and press enter. This will take you to the PowerUps administration page inside Trello. On this page, you'll see options related to managing PowerUps and integrations. To generate an API key, click on the New button. This allows you to create a new PowerUp, which is required in order to access your API credentials. A form will appear asking for some basic information. Start by entering a name for your PowerUp. This can be anything descriptive, such as My Automation App or Trello Integration Project. Next, fill in the description field. Briefly describe what the integration or app will be used for. Then enter your website URL. If you have a real website for your project, enter it here. If you're just testing, you can use your company website or a placeholder site, but make sure it's formatted correctly with HTTPS at the beginning. After that, enter your email address. This should be an active email you have access to, preferably the same one associated with your Trello account. Before moving on, carefully review the website and email fields to make sure there are no typos. Incorrect details here can cause issues later, so it's important to double-check everything. Once you're satisfied with the information, click the Create button. Trello will now create your new PowerUp configuration. After the PowerUp is created, you'll see several tabs at the top of the page. Click on the tab labeled API Key. Inside this section, you'll find the option to generate your API credentials. Click on Generate a new API key. It may take a few seconds, but shortly after, your unique Trello API key will appear on the screen. Once the API key is visible, copy it immediately. This key is what allows external applications to communicate securely with your Trello account. Now, and this is very important, store your API key in a secure location. You can use a password manager, a secure notes app, or an encrypted document. Do not share this key publicly or upload it to public repositories like GitHub. Anyone with access to your API key could potentially interact with your Trello data. And that's it. You've successfully generated your Trello API key, and it's now ready to be used in your integrations, scripts, or automation workflows. If this video helped you get your Trello API token quickly and easily, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.